Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can send money from Canada to another country. If you want to send money from Canada to UK, USA, Germany, wherever you want to send, you can follow this step. You can send money easily if you follow this. So I'm using Remitly here for because uh, they have a special offer for new customer. They can help you 24/7, and they have many more advantages for their customer. So how you can send money from Canada? First, select your recipient country from here. For example, I'm selecting USA. Now select United States. Now here you can see the best exchange rate of them. Now select send money to start the process. Now what you have to do, enter the amount how much you want to send. For example, I'm selecting 54 Canadian dollar. The recipient will get 39.11 US dollar. Now so you have to select a delivery method. How you recipient will I'm selecting bank deposit. You have to select a bank. That I'm selecting Bank of America here. Uh, Here you have to select your payment method. How you can pay it with. So now select continue. Then you have to select your recipient bank details, checking savings. Then you have to enter account number, routing number. Then you have to select continue. After that, you have to add your payment method details, your bank account number, and most. Then follow the prompt, and you, if you satisfy with everything, then continue to transfer your money from Canada to any country. And that's it. That's how you can easily send money from Canada to anywhere with using Remitly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for video like this.